Siphinde sinibingelele kwiKhathi TV2. Wena-ke uqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola indaba njengoba zinjalo. Inkampani eseVerulam eyakha ama-chips uFreemax usolwa ngokuthi uxhaphaza abasebenzi ungawaniki ama-sick leave, ama-leave. Lapho-ke i-MKP Labour Desk ingenelile-ke yaya khona-ke kule nkampani-ke awuyizwele-ke ukuthi ixoxe yathini nabasebenzi.
Abasebenzi 1 abasebenzi abaguli kulo Freemax. Uma ke kwathiwa bayagula labo basebenzi kufanele bahambe bayosayina epolice station ukuthi abasobuye bagule. Laba bantu abana annual leave, laba bantu abana family responsibility leave. Laba bantu abalapha mkwethu njengamanje baxoshwa about 100 and something wabantu abangaphandle bexoshwa ilaba bantu bakwa Freemax. Now njengomkhonto ke wesizwe, umkhonto Labour Desk sila eVerulam, we want to ensure ukuthi leli sulumane namadodana nabazukulu abaliboni la ngakusasa kwebusiness uma laba bantu besengaphandle. And siyazi ukuthi laba bantu njengamanje they are building the new building here ukuthi bakwazi uku-extend ibusiness yabo. And thina njengomkhonto wesizwe ngeke savuma ukuxhashazwa kwabantu bakithi eSouth Africa. Sikushilo lokho siyokhethweni, siyakusho siphuma okhethweni, sithe futhi ngeke kuhle kabi ngoba ayikho i-by election esiya kuyona. Sizoyikhuluma lento nje ngoba sifuna ukusiza abantu bakithi. Sino what 60 okuyi inkampani la yakhe khona naka ama comrade sonke siready ukuthi sithathe lo mzabalazo wabantu suyise phambili. Woza la mfana wami, woza la. Ngifuna babuke le nkampani umonakalo wenze phakathini. For example, check this one. Lo mfana kanamunwe today. Walima le nkampanini. Walima le nkampanini lo mfana. Yamqosha inkampani ayimkhokhelanga ngisho isent. Namanje uphila ngaphandle useyinkubela nezandla ezu4 imine u4 but le nkampani yona iyaqhubeka business as usual. And thina abantu abamnyama esithenga lezi zinto lezi abantu abasiqhaphaza ngazo uwesulumane liyasiqhaphaza, wemlungu uyasiqhaphaza, wendiwe uyasiqhaphaza ezweni lethu. And the government of the day ngifuna ukusho lokho. Ngifuna futhi le video ifike kulabo abantu abaseParliament abashaya imithetho abathi akube khona ama-labor laws kodwa the same labor laws awahlonishwa. Uphu labor waseVerulam okwazi ukuthi asebenze le matter ekufanele kube uyena ngabe ungene kuleya nkampani leya kaFreeman abuza abasebenzi baye kuhamba baye kumqashi bayothatha ama-envelopes. Yini bangakwazi ukungena ngaphakathi kaFreemax bayofuna abasebenzi baxoxe nabasebenzi buka abasebenzi abangakanani abangaphandle la kunenkampani yama-security engazi ukuthi yohlala nini ihlala njalo ishaya abantu abamnyama ingawashaya amandiya. Le nkampani le la eVerulam nithini lo reaction ukwazi ukubizwa amandiya uzovalela abantu elicabanga umzali. Please try by all means to sort yourself out. You abuse our people enough. Enough is enough. If this company is here to abuse the people of this country, to make them slaves in their own country, in their bad country, this must come to an end. We cannot tolerate that. Umkhonto wesizwe bafowethu ngifuna ukusho la in this video azele laba fethu ukuzobangisana ngama-political party. Uma ngabe political party yakho noma uyinkatha noma uyi-ANC noma uyi-EFF, i-EFF ifikile-ke yadla imali lapha. But what we are saying ukuthi thina sithi uma siye lapha kukhona oyodla imali kithi. Hayi bafethu koxatshana ngempela. mangabe unemali akakhokhela abasebenzi mangabe unayo akakhokhela abasebenzi akakhokheli thina sifune imali sifuna imali ezokhokhelwa ngayo abasebenzi. So ke I want to tell you comrades, cela ningayilahli iside le, ningayilahli. Wonke umuntu njengamanje we are ready to fight this Sulman. We are ready to do that. Tomorrow we are going to write a letter to Leda Sulman, Lo Freeman. Simtshela ukuthi look, enough is enough wena. Usuku lakho your days are numbered. You will never continue doing business here in South Africa if you are robbing our own people in their own country. So and you must understand it. No one will continue to rob you in your own country. And siyaya lapha siyongena emsebenzini lemsebenzi sifuna ibuyele kini ngoba yabona leSulumane ngoba liyahluleka ugovernment wethu akanikeze nini imali niyokwenza lawo ama-ships inkampani ibuyele ebantwini abamnyama ngoba sekucace kahle kamhlophe ukuthi sizoba nabantu who's going to be here bathi bazo-employ abantu kanti bazokwenza i-exploitation. So bafethu, today we are saying enough is enough. I want to tell you, Sikona, and we are still going to be here. And now, kama comrade, so share a number. Nama comrade, sikwazi ukuthi sibuke ukuthi uma sithi siyalapha usuku lonke siyohlala lapha sidle izinkwa namahewu sihlale lapha alahlekelwe iyo yonke imali asikweleta yona. Amandla wethu qina msebenzi qina msebenzi qina enjalo nje bafethu siyabonga kakhulu.